Hi. So today we would be discussing the two functions countif and countifs. So what is the use of the two function? So I would be explaining you in brief. So a count function, countif function is used if there is a product, particular product which has been repeated multiple times in the data sheet which is available. So if you want to count the particular product which has been repeated multiple times, how many times it been repeated? With the help of countif, you can count the number of repetition of the particular product. So now let me show you equal to count if. By clicking on that tab, it will select. If you see, it is asking for the range. So now we are what you have to do is select the range, comma and criteria. So what is the criteria? Which product you want to be count? Click on the particular product, close the bracket, enter. Now if you can see, Mountain has been four times in the uh, data sheet which is available for us. So this is with the help of count if we can count the number of products which is been repeated in number of times it been repeated in the data sheet. Now what is the use of count ifs? So if with the help of count ifs, if there is multiple range, multiple criteria, multiple range which need to be selected, with the help of count ifs we can find the number of products with the help of count if. Count ifs. Clicking on the tab. Now what we need to do is select the range, first range, comma, criteria for the first range, comma. If there is one more criteria range, so we can also select it, comma, and what is the criteria for the particular range? None. So now it can be not multiple criteria, multiple range. So it will completely depend on the requirement. Close and see. If you see the count, Montana has been two times with the discount none. In lower case, if you see the Montana is available but the discount rate is zero, low. So it would be like multiple ranges, multiple criterias available. If you want to find the number of products, number of product count with the multiple range and with the multiple criteria, you can use count ifs. Other if there is only one criteria, one range, you can use count if. Thank you.